Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Automations Pro to automatically identify and tag your daily best-selling products. With this setup, you can quickly spot hot-selling items and boost your business performance. Then how can we get it? First, we configure Automations Pro to run automatically at a set time. Second, reset product status daily to avoid outdated tags. Next, query products that meet your sales threshold and then automatically update their status. Now, let's do it step by step. We start by creating a new form called Product Info with these fields. Then we go to Edit, Extension, Automations, add a new automation. We name it AutoTag Daily Best-Selling Products and set the trigger type to Scheduled Trigger. Save it, and we jump to the configuration page. In the trigger node settings, we set the custom time to 2 p.m. and repeat once per day. Set the end time as you like. Next, we don't want yesterday's status to interfere with today's results, so first, we'll clear the bestseller status for all products. Add an update record node, rename it. Select product info as the target form. Set the condition, product no is not empty, and set is best-selling product to an empty value. Then we'll identify products that meet the sales threshold for the day. Add a query records node. Name it query best-selling products. Target form is also the product info. Add a condition. Daily sales is greater than or equal to 100. Finally, we add another update record node to update the bestseller status for the products returned by the query. Rename it Update Product Status. Set the target data as the output from the query best-selling products node. Set is best-selling product to yes. Now all nodes are configured. Click Save and Enable. And let's see the effect. At exactly 2 p.m. every day, yesterday's bestseller tags are cleared. Products with sales above the threshold are identified. And there is best-selling product field is automatically set to yes. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.